Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, what is your name?
My name is Nithi.
By what name should I call you?
You should call me Nithi.
And what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I read my storybooks and enjoy television along with my parents.
Well, why are you learning English?
English is an important international language, so I learn it.
What is your future plan?
I wanna be a fashion designer in future.
You have completed two level.
Yes.
Okay. What have you learned from level 1 and 2 in short?
Level 1, I learned how can I say sorry, please, hello, hi, and
Hmm.
many things. And level 2, I learned telephoning and talk show.
And important grammar.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. See you next. Bye.
Bye.